Hi, in this video, we will compare Surfer SEO and Frase.io. Both Surfer SEO and Frase.io are strong contenders in the SEO world, but they cater to slightly different needs. Surfer SEO is on-page SEO optimization and competitor analysis. If you prioritize in-depth competitor analysis, on-page SEO optimization, and data-driven content planning for higher rankings, then Surfer SEO is best. While Frase.io is about content creation and research, Frase.io uses AI to help content creators improve their content for SEO. If your focus is on content creation, research, and building comprehensive outlines to streamline your workflow, then Frase.io is best. On Surfer SEO, you can generate briefs with catchy headlines in seconds. Write and optimize content in any language. Ensure the authenticity of your article and avoid potential penalties. Surfer SEO also allows you to integrate with Google Docs, WordPress, Jasper, and more. Surfer SEO does not just generate articles, it also generates traffic. Surfer SEO gives you a 7-day free trial with each plan and starts at $89 per month. On the other hand, with Frase.io, you can easily analyze SEO competitors' content via an intuitive research panel. You can quickly curate outlines using headings from the SERP or use AI to generate one in seconds. You can produce SEO-optimized copy instantly with an AI writer that's inspired by the search results for your target query. Frase.io also optimizes content inside Google Docs and WordPress. Frase.io has a free plan and starts at $15 per month. If you want to use both Surfer SEO and Frase.io for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.